Hi, welcome to another class. So this is our domain f of x plus 3. All we're expected to do is to find what this quadratic expression would have been if f of x had been our domain. Simple. And if we do that, we'd have solved our problem. Now we're going to approach this problem following two different processes, and whichever way we go, we expect to get the same result. Now let us get into the class and do this. So to solve this problem, I say we're going to go about it using two methods. So method one, f of x plus 3 is, we're going to factorize, get the roots of this. So have x squared. Now what are the factors of this that will sum up to this? We'll have minus 4 and minus 2. We can have x squared minus 4x minus 2x minus, plus 8. Yes, so because minus 4x minus 2x will give us minus 6x. So this now, we introduce our bracket. So have this now, have factorize now, have x into this, we have x minus 4. Then if we put minus 2 here, we'll have under x minus 4 because minus 2 times minus 4 will give us plus 8. So our f of x then, our f of x plus 3, our f of x plus 3 will be x minus 2 and x minus 4, right? So now this f of x plus 3 now, if we put f of x minus 3, if we put x minus 3 here, what are we going to do to this to arrive at this? We can subtract, let's say we can subtract 5 here. Now if you do minus 5 plus 3 will give us minus 2. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll have if we subtract, what's the nearest thing we can subtract minus 7 here. Minus 7 plus 3 will give us minus 4. So we've not changed anything. So if we now to find our f of x now, we replace this now with x. We'll have x minus 5 and x minus 7. Expanding this now, we'll have x squared minus 7x minus 5x plus 35. 5 times minus 5 minus times minus 7 will give us this. So f of x finally is x squared minus 12x plus 35. So this is the quadratic expression we have had if f of x is our domain. So now let's try method 2. Our method 2 then, method 2. Now for method 2, this f of x now, let's assume that a is equal to x plus 3. Now this means that x itself will be a minus 3 if 3 comes over to the other side, right? So then x squared will then be a minus 3 squared, which is the same thing as a minus 3 multiplied by a minus 3. Now expanding this, now have a squared minus 3a minus 3a and minus 3a, then plus minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. So and this will give us a squared minus 6a plus 9, and this is x squared. So now if you impute this into this our original expression, x squared, which is this now, sorry, that's a squared minus 6a plus 9, then 6, this minus 6 into this now, because this is x, so I have this, then we'll have plus our constant is 8, right? So expanding now, we have this is f of a now, a squared minus 6a plus 9 minus 6a plus 6, as in 6 minus 6 times minus 3, that's plus 18 plus 8. Now collecting like terms, so I have f of a is equal to a squared minus 6 minus 6a minus 6a is minus 12a, plus 9 plus 8 is plus 17, then plus 18. Now f of a will give us a squared minus 12a plus, that should give us 35. Now replacing this f of a with f of x, because initially we wanted to substitute this x for this, so we are substituting this a now, we are using x now for this a. We have x squared minus 12x plus 35. Now that's the same thing we have here. So whichever way we go, this method 2 or method 1, we are going to arrive at the same answer. Remember, it's all about substitution. So we substituted f of x for f of x plus 3, and that's our answer. So keep solving problems, don't run away from them. Until next time, bye bye.